Finally, the promise of one village, one dam, one district, one factory is finally here. And as you can see, Akufo-Addo is able to fulfill this promise. And you can see the factory here together with the dam. Beautiful. And as you can see, Ghanaians are so proud of their president. This is a rescue mission. As you can see, this is a rescue mission. It is really interesting. As you can see, this is a sad reality to the Gobe Eaters Association. The gobe is in the dam. As you can see, the beans together with the plantain, everything is in the dam. This is the result. Yes, some people are even trying to swim it. I don't know. And this is one village, one dam, which is being promised by our president, Nana Akufo-Addo, the showboy. And as you can see, this is a promise delivered to the core. One village, one dam, one district, one factory. You can see the dam together with the factory together. And in all these things, our police are stopping us from protesting against this wicked government.
One district, one dam.
One district,
one dam. One factory, one water. Hey, this is circle. Kandapa, come and see your mess. Kandapa, come and see your mess. So come and see your mess. Oh. Oh, Ghana. Kandapa, come and see your mess. Bola Minister, come and see your mess. So come and see your mess. Oh, Ghana. Oh, it's not good.